Sleep is not just about rest, it's actually when the body performs the deepest repair work. And there
Mm.
are two stages of sleep which actually are very important. The first one is the deep sleep, and that's when the process called lymphatic clearance happens. Um, so it's like a cleaning process where cerebrospinal fluid washes through the brain, like clearing out the toxins and metabolic waste. And there's the REM sleep, which is rapid eye movement sleep. Uh, that's where the brain processes emotions and
Mhm.
consolidates the memories. So this is the stage where your experiences are filled into this long-term storage and your emotional regulation happens.